Hey guys, this is Sean, Cardinal Beard Company here at the Bearded Goose Barbershop in Dunn, and I'm here with my main man Biff, the owner, and he's going to give us a walkthrough, a little tutorial on how to use oils and balms properly. So Biff, would you give us some schooling, my friend?
Awesome. Thanks, Sean, for coming in this morning, and we'll get through this and show people what is the biggest difference of how to use both of these products. Each one of these products is actually from the Cardinal Beard Company, and we're going to start off with our balms first this morning. This is kind of the one that sometimes intimidates people. They're not really sure what it's all about. But you'll come in with a really small amount of your balm. You'll go about a dime size on the back of your thumbnail. No reason to dig in with your fingers, just use your thumbnail itself. Take it off your nail, put it in the middle of your palm of your hand, and rub it vigorously. When you come in at the beginning of the beard, you always want to start at the sideburn area. Come in and smooth the balm on top of the actual beard in the beginning. As you come through and smooth it, lift the beard up, bring it under the bottom, just on the outside of the beard until it gets in and you start working it smooth. Then you'll take your fingers and you'll run through so you actually are trying to hit each hair shaft of the beard itself. Lay it down, try to get those flyaways down, and you'll be there. And that's how to put the balm in. With the oil, it's pretty much the same way. You just put a really small amount, about a dime size there again, and it depends on how big your beard is. If you have a really small beard, if you have a medium-sized beard, you'll be able to tell and what's your size that you need after a couple days of use. So put a small amount in your hand, once again. Rub it in vigorously. This one's a little different with the oil. Since it is thinner product when it starts out, you're going to come in there again at the sideburn as you come in this way, but you're going to immediately start going through the beard and to get that through there. The oil itself will be an immediate gratification as far as the shine effect, and also to go the nutrients back into the hair cuticle on the hair shaft in the beard itself, whereas the balm will hold a little bit longer through the day. But we will go through that and explain the two in another video. And that's it. That's how you do the oils, and that's how you do the balms.
We hope this video was helpful for you guys. Thanks so much for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.